It's a 2015 Honda CR-V. Capability without compromise isn't a dream, it's a CR-V. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: continuously variable automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, Honda Link, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, memory exterior door mirror settings, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights lots of room for passengers and cargo, high fuel economy, user-friendly controls, ample tech and family-friendly features, nimble handling. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.